Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the device ready. Plug in power and make sure battery is above 20%. Next, connect the keyboard. Use USB-A/USB-C for direct connection or enable Bluetooth pairing for wireless. Once paired, log in with your user account, PIN, or password. This gives you access to settings. Make sure the keyboard layout matches your region, because layout differences change key outputs. Finally, open a simple text app. To test typing and verify modifier keys like Shift and Control respond correctly. Now you move into practical control. Understand modifiers and why they matter for efficiency. Use Shift to capitalize, Control plus letter keys for common commands, and Alt or the Windows key for system shortcuts. Practice text navigation. Arrows move by character. Control plus arrow jumps by word to save time when editing. Learn editing shortcuts. Copy, paste, undo, and save. They reduce mouse dependency. Once comfortable, customize shortcuts in settings to match your workflow, because personalized bindings cut repetitive strain and boost. Finish by tailoring the keyboard to your tasks. Remap keys, assign macros, or change repeat rate in operating system settings so actions match what you do. Maintain hardware, clean keycaps, update drivers, and replace batteries for wireless models to avoid intermittent errors. If something breaks, test the keyboard on another device to isolate the issue. If pairing fails, reset Bluetooth and repair. If keys still misbehave, reinstall the driver. One key tip: reboot after driver changes to ensure the system applies settings correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.